Alright Nikon shooters, the Z9 just got another firmware update, version 5.3. And once again, Nikon is saying, hey, remember that flagship camera you bought years ago? Yeah, it just got better. Today, I'm breaking down what's new, what actually matters, and whether this update changes anything for real-world photographers and filmmakers.
It's more important than ever to stand out from the rest, especially with AI and other disruptive variables out there affecting our work. With Pixpa, you get beautiful, customizable templates designed specifically for creatives, photographers, filmmakers, designers, you name it. It's not just a portfolio. You can blog, share your client galleries, and sell your physical and digital products online, all in one place. I've been personally using Pixpa to showcase my portfolio to clients, and it's made presenting my work look polished, modern, and most of all, very professional. And the best part? It's simple to use, no coding required. Just focus on creating and let Pixpa do the heavy lifting. Remember, the first impression is often the only impression that matters. Ready to level up your portfolio? Head on over to Pixpa.com and use my code ROBERT55 to get 55% off for annual plans. Don't miss out because your work deserves to shine.
Now, this isn't some flashy new codec or new resolution update. This one is all about autofocus, subject detection, and workflow refinements. And honestly, that's exactly where most pros want improvements anyway. Let's start with the big headline. Autofocus just got smarter. Nikon improved how the Z9 detects, acquires, and sticks to subjects, especially fast-moving ones like birds, athletes, wildlife, your kids, or anything unpredictable. The real upgrade here is that subject detection now works in more autofocus modes, including single point AF and dynamic area AF. Translation, you no longer are forced into wide area modes just to get subject detection. You can be more precise and still let the camera help you. They also added the ability to toggle the subject detection on and off using a custom button, the FM button, which is huge because sometimes the camera thinks it knows better than you, and now you can shut it up. Nikon also expanded focus area size options for wide area AF custom modes, giving you more coverage flexibility. And there's now a focus limiting option, which is incredibly useful for sports, macro photography, motorsports, or any other scenario where you know the distance range of your subject. These aren't headline grabbing features, but they're the kind of tools working photographers could actually appreciate. This update also brings new picture controls, including flat monochrome and deep tone monochrome. Plus, Nikon's flexible color picture controls are now supported, meaning more control over your in-camera look without relying as heavily on post. For photographers delivering fast turnarounds for events, documentary, or even social media content, this is a quiet but meaningful upgrade. Auto capture also got some love. It now supports face detection and better focus reset behavior after shooting. That means more reliable unintended shooting for wildlife setups, remote sports angles, or fixed cameras where timing matters more than reaction. Nikon is clearly leaning into automation here, and honestly, they're doing it in a way that still feels very professional. For hybrid shooters, subject detection now works better in video, even in tighter AF modes, and you'll see focus points when high-res zoom is enabled. There are also quality of life updates like loop playback, auto-rotate during playback, filtered playback by date, and better audio control access. Nothing flashy, but everything works smoother. Here's my honest take. Firmware 5.3 isn't about reinventing the Z9. It's about polishing an already elite camera. The autofocus improvements alone make this worth updating, especially if you shoot action, wildlife, or any fast-paced documentary style kind of work. Nikon continues to prove that buying into their flagship ecosystem is a long-term investment, and that's something I can genuinely respect. Let me know in the comments, are these autofocus improvements enough for you, or were you hoping for something more cinematic on the video side? If this breakdown helped you, hit that like, smash that subscribe button for more content like this. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.